Hello again. In this video I will explain how I did in class this exercise, and before starting what I need to do is to go to layout and change the orientation of my page, choose landscape option, and the orientation of this page will be changed. Then I want to insert the table, and I choose this option, draw a table. After having draw a table, firstly it would be like a enormous square. Then I managed to divide just by clicking here the table. Then I created these kinds of rows, and after putting that I managed to insert also the number of the 10 squares I have in this table. Then what I did, it was select all the numbers, and I went on layout, and I applied align center. But if you want, you can apply the option you want. It would be here on the right side, left side, up, down, but I have chosen that on the middle. After doing that, what I did was to insert a shading. In home, I selected one by one, and I change. For instance, I want this on another color. What I did then in this exercise, it was to calculate how the numbers of the squares, and I did that by inserting the field code. For instance, if I select this number and press Alt F9, you can see the formula I inserted to calculate each of the squares. So the total sum of the yellow squares, I calculated it by inserting. It's really important to know how to read a table, because you have to know that this one is A, B, this one is C, this one is B1, B2, C1, C2, C3, but this one is D, because it's A, B, C, D, A. So in this case, in the first case, some yellow, it was B1 plus D2 plus D4. After putting that, what I did, it was Alt F9, and as you can see, there are 15 squares of yellow. Then after calculating all of the sums, I managed to calculate also the tax base of the blue. Alt F9. I did it by inserting the field code in this case is C2 plus E3, and then close the brackets. I multiplied for 21%. Alt F9, and with this step, this exercise ends here.